Good morning. Devotion. Our all-school read recounts the story of two American fighter pilots, Tom Hudner and Jesse Brown, who fought in the Korean War. You are now at an age when you must embrace and live out the values and the virtues that you choose. The life lessons chronicled in Devotion can help guide your discernment and your choices. Devotion is the quintessential American tale of heroism. The servicemen chronicled in this book represent the best of our country. Each of them is a real-life Captain America. They set an example for the type of men that we can all aspire to be, men of character and men of conviction. Jesse Brown, a sharecropper's son from Mississippi, faced overwhelming obstacles as he blazed a trail to become the Navy's first black carrier pilot. Jesse Brown had the courage to stand against systematic racism, oppression, and discrimination as he broke down social, educational, and cultural barriers. Tom Hudner, a man of privilege, grew up in Fall River, attended Phillips Andover with the world's elites. He turned down Harvard University to attend the Naval Academy with the goal of serving his country. Tom Hudner's selfless act of crashing his plane, defying orders, while the goal of saving Brown's life epitomizes a courageous act. Tom Hudner is a true American hero whose actions, code of conduct, and courage rightfully earned him the Medal of Honor. The Medal of Honor is the United States' highest award. A recipient must display in the moments that matter bravery, courage, sacrifice, integrity. The Medal of Honor also requires that each recipient display a deep love of country and a desire to always do what is right. Tom Hudner clearly embodies all these characteristics. So why does CM revisit similar themes year after year? Because it's what we do here. Here at CM, we teach values and virtues. We understand that there is a difference between right and wrong. We believe the human spirit can achieve great things. Here at CM, we want you to become the best version of yourself. We do it because it matters, and you matter. Here at CM, you're giving the time, the space, the opportunity, and the role models to help you seek out truth, to read, to think, to write, and to ultimately reflect upon the great questions of the human condition. Your time here will inform, form, and transform who you become. So choose wisely. If you desire to achieve much, this requires that you sacrifice much. The greater the sacrifice, the greater the reward. Brown and Hudner and veterans of many wars have sacrificed for causes greater than themselves. This is the essence of service over self. I urge each of you to be courageous and to make sacrifices this year. Little acts of courage go a long way. If you take a small step forward, face your fears, you will find the courage that you need to become the person you aspire to be. I promise you that you'll be proud of your efforts, and with God's grace, you will make this impact on this community, this country, in our world. Gentlemen, let's have an incredible year, and I pray that we can live Jesus in our hearts. Thank you very much.